Before the Europeans arrived, the Native Americans used them for food and medicine. The cranberry vine is well suited to a harsh climate and loves acidic soil that's scarce in nutrients. North American cranberries are ripe for picking in late September. At harvest time, farmers flood their fields to make the cranberries float to the surface. Then, they use a machine called a beater. It generates underwater turbulence, pulling the berries off the vines. The beater is suspended from a mobile bridge that's computer-guided to systematically work its way through the entire field. The beater cuts a swathe about 7 meters wide with each sweep. Workers move the floating cranberries to one corner of the field. Where a pump transfers them to a waiting trailer. Along the way, the berries get a rinsing from branches and leaves. At the factory, the truck unloads its cargo. The cranberries travel along a canal and onto a conveyor belt. Then through a cleaning station, where workers use brushes and water jets to get rid of any remaining leaves and branches. Then they dump the cranberries into large bins to be frozen for up to several months. To produce cranberry juice, frozen berries are defrosted in hot water, then mashed up, skins, seeds and all, into a puree. Special enzymes are added to break up the pectin molecules, making the puree less viscous and therefore easier to press. The press processes 8 tons of puree at a time and takes 3 to 4 pressing cycles to extract all the juice. The juice then goes through a sophisticated filtration system. The 216 filters remove any plant particles or bacteria larger than 1 micron. A micron is 1,000 times smaller than a millimeter. Water is then evaporated until the juice is 10 times more concentrated. Cranberries not destined for juice go through a grading process. Undersized berries drop down through the holes of a giant sifter. Bigger cranberries move into the grading table, where workers remove any that are substandard. An electronic sorter then scans the remaining cranberries for colour, signalling an air gun to blow any reject berries off the production line. The rest move onto the packaging department, or continue down the line to be dried. Cranberries destined for drying are automatically seeded, cut off and pressed, then soaked in a sugar and water solution to make them sweeter. The side-to-side motion of the conveyor belt spreads the berries thinly so that they'll dry evenly. The hot air dryer subjects them to temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius. After about 3 hours, the cranberries come out looking like this. As you sip your cranberry tea, ponder this. Not only do they taste great and go well with your turkey, cranberries are also a source of potassium and vitamins A and C. Coming up on how it's made. Cotton yarn. From the fields to our favourite pair of jeans in 4 minutes flat. And road signs, highly reflective designs. They may come in for a bit of stick from motorists, but we'd be lost without them. See you after the break.
Rămâi aici. Programul continuă cu practică.
La 21, supraviețuitorii unor situații extraordinare povestesc cum e să fii la un pas de moarte. Iar de la 22, fenomene stranii, stafiile care nu vor să plece. Comunicarea cu alte lumi e posibilă la 23, fenomene stranii.